Hello everyone, it's day 22 of our Binance Smart Chain meme coin buying challenge using DCA for PHT and other meme coins. So today we are going to be buying PHT as usual, then we'll look for another meme coins to buy. Alright, so without any further ado, let's dive in. I'm going to click on PHT, I'm going to click on swap, and I'm going to click on BNB. Then also I'm going to show us another feature whereby if you have enough funds, you can set limit order to be buying at certain price. Okay, so but before we dive into that, let's quickly buy some PHT 0.006 0.004. okay, swap, understand, confirm. Okay, yeah, so about the limit order, as you can see, we have markets and we have limits. So we just bought PHT now using market order. So let's say we want to set limit order, we're going to click on limit. All right, then next thing is to unlock limit order. Trace matter with smart, enable for 15 days. So I think this is the first time I'm gonna be using this. So you can select 7 days, 15 days, or 30 days, anyone. So let me select 30 days. So I'm gonna click on confirm, then I'll click on enable. Okay, done. All right, so for the next 30 days, we can set a limit order to be buying PHT. All right, so you can decide to, when 1 BNB is what's 0.8, your limit price is 0.47% higher than the market price. So I haven't used this before. Okay, so I'll try and test it out and see how it works. Then I will make a video on it. Okay, so and beside this, okay, we can also make use of a Telegram bot. Okay, you're going to see the link in the description box. So I'll also try and make a video on that Telegram bot too, whereby you can be using the Telegram bot to buy PHT automatically. So it's gonna be automated. So let's go and get the meme coin. All right, so the next meme coin we are buying right now is this right here, Moon. So currently Moon is mooning. Moon is pumping. Okay, and it's actually a new meme coin which was created 13 hours 14 minutes ago. All right, so now I don't really like buying newly created meme coins, but that's actually where the money is. Okay, if you're lucky, because before other people start buying, you're already in, you've positioned yourself, and which will give you chance, the opportunity to make a lot of money, crazy money. Okay, so like Palu now recently, a lot of people made insane amount with Palu. Okay, so we don't know, maybe this one could be the next Palu. All right, so but it's actually very risky buying newly created meme coins or hot coins, so it's very risky. Okay, so but no risk, no Ferrari. And currently they are boosting this with hearts. Okay, so it has the potential to pump higher. Okay, and as you can see, it's pumping and dumping. Okay, it was 400% before, now it's 157%. Okay, so but since we are using DCA, okay, we are not going to buy more than $1 or $2. So let's just go ahead and buy. Okay, with what's it called, with $2, we can get 6,000 plus. With $1 we can get like 3,000 plus. So let's look at the chart. If we check the chart, it's actually okay. So from the chart you can see that the price is dumping. Okay, so the daily candle is actually still bullish, but the 4 hours candle, you can see the price is going down. Okay, so nevertheless we're gonna buy some. Okay, so I'm gonna copy the contract address right here, and then I'll go to OKX, click on BNB, click on swap, BNB swap. Wow. Okay, then USDT, I'm gonna paste the contract address. One, then I'm going to buy with 0.002. And 0.002 and buy with 0.001. Confirm. Okay, so if the price drops by 50%, take note, this thing we bought with like $1 plus now. Okay, currently $1.3. Don't be surprised. The $1 could turn to 10 cents. It can happen. Okay, it can happen. So it could turn to 10 cents, and at the same time this $1 could turn to $10. It could turn to $20. It all depends. But with what is happening right now, pumping and dumping, if the price drops to like 50 cents, 10 cents, I won't be surprised. Okay, and it's not really gonna affect me. Okay, so if there's any potential, if there's any reason to buy, then we can buy more. All right, so that's it. So no emotional attachment. All right, so and for PHT that will keep buying, you see that PHT has been maintaining its support level, like it's still respecting the support level. So, and for as long as it's still respecting that support level, it has a massive potential to the upside. You understand? So I just keep buying our PHT every day by day. All right, so that's it, guys. See you guys in the next video. Until next time, peace out.